Hello, timers. We're going to be doing a brief demo on Meet Systems Track Meet Results app on how to set the app up so that you can use for your track events. First thing you want to do is go here and come to Setup and create yourself an account. We already have an account created here. This area here is where you can upload a logo, your company logo, and that logo will be displayed on the app. And as the spectators open up the app, your logo will be prominently be displayed. Now, once you've created an account, what you want to do is go to set up a new meet. And as you can see, you would put in your meet information here. Um, if you're a timer and you have all whoever's hosting the meet, John Track Club, you would put that information there and any slogans, and that will appear throughout the meet, throughout the app as they're using it. We've already have a couple of test meets here. Once you create the meet, it's going to ask you the question, I will activate the meet later or I'll activate the meet now. Once you activate the meet, it's going to give you a code. Keep this code handy. This is the code that will be used in our executable that's running on the same laptop as your high-tech Meet Manager database. Okay, the next step, once you created your meet, you're going to open up our little program, our executable program here. And very important, for this to work, you must set Meet Manager to multi-user mode. Once that's done, you're going to copy it and paste your code. Same code here is here. Then you're going to go and you're going to look for your database. And I will come here and go to my test database, my test meet, and I'm going to open it up. Now we have this particular, the same meet that you're using in your database. Now, then you simply click Start. What this will do is it's going to read your database and it's going to look at your database every second. Data transferred completely, and now you're completely set up. And it's going to wait every second and it's going to check the databases if there's any changes. And it's going to constantly do that. It's going to constantly check your database every second to see if there's any changes. Now, this is our test meet here. So I'm going to select the meet. This will be constantly, this program will be constantly running during the background. Now for the app, I'm going to select the meet. And I'm going to select California, and I'm going to select our test meet. Notice my company's logo. That's exactly where your logo will appear when they select a meet that you created. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do we're on the 100-meter girls finals, 9 and 10-year-old 100-meter girls finals. So I'm going to select 9 and 10-year-old, and I'm going to select 100 meters. And this is the meet that's already been done, and we will see the results. And if you notice the results here, this will sit here. Um, this is what you'll see. We have the finals heat 1, the semifinals heat 1, heat 2, heat 3, the prelims heat 1, heat 2, heat 3. Um, but the important part here is what I want to demonstrate is, for example, if I make a change down here in high tech, I'm going to make this change here, and I'm going to go 15, 15. And if you notice, for that particular person, Jada Kenner, it just refreshed. And now if you can see, her time is now 15:15. So within 3 to 4 or 5 seconds, depending on your internet speed, it will update the results. You don't even have to, the heat, the event doesn't have to be finished. It doesn't have to wait to be done. If you have 10 heats and you're on heat one, it's going to show heat one until you get the results for heat two. And once it detects a change, you hit F3 and get the results for heat two, it's going to update heat two. Some of the features of the app, if you were to click on the athlete's name, it'll show you all of the events that they are participated in. If you want to add them to My Athletes, you can just add that athlete to My Athletes and hit OK. Say you have another athlete from your team and you want to come down here and click on that athlete. Again, it shows them, then you can add them to My Athletes. So you can sit there and go through and add all of your team's athletes. And then if you come over here and you select My Athletes, those are the two athletes that I added to My Athletes, and you can view their times. You can view your whole team and all of the events that they've done. That pretty much concludes our demo on how to set up a meet for Meet Systems Track Meet Results app. Thank you.